wanted to make this short video to talk about the difference between bending moment and our torsional moment. So here we have our X, Y, and Z axis, and this is our beam. So along the long axis of our beam is that X axis, and then the Y and Z are kind of the cross-sectional axes of our beam. So looking at this pool noodle, this is our beam here. So again, our x-axis is the axis running through here. So let's think about the ways that we can bend here. So our y-axis is the axis going up and down. So if we were to have a moment about the y-axis, that would be our pool noodle bending this way or bending this way. So that is a bending moment. So a moment about the y-axis in our cross-section is a bending moment. So again, that's this way or this way. It's going to be our bending moment about the y-axis. The z-axis, a moment about the z-axis, we're going to be bending this way. So this is a positive z bending moment. So typically we're working with planar problems, so it's good to remember that this is positive bending moment. One way to remember it is that it is smiling at you. It's a smiley face, so it's positive bending moment. Our negative bending moment in the z direction is going to be this one. It's negative, it's sad. Sad face, negative. Happy face, positive bending moment. Okay, so our moment in the y and z direction, those are both bending moments, but our X moment is going to be a torsional moment. So these both look like bending, right? So when we think about bending, those are both bending the beam. Our torsional moment, to apply a moment about the x-axis, we're going to have to twist this thing along its main axis. So along that long x-axis, we are twisting or applying torsion. So this is our torsional moment. So we have to consider all three of these internal moments when we are working with a non-planar problem. So in a planar problem, we're only considering the z moment. So we're only considering our positive and negative z moment for a planar problem. But non-planar, we have to consider the y and x axes as well, because we have forces in our different directions, so we can start to have moments about those axes. So I hope this video helped you tell the difference between a bending moment and a torsional moment.